Alright, so the thing is, the record supposedly is that no one can eat 6 corn dogs in 4 minutes. So I'm about to prove that.
Well,
So we have a timer.
maybe you should take out the corn dogs from the wrapper first.
Okay, just to give myself the advantage.
We're using the
Yeah, go ahead.
No, you can use it.
Go ahead, I'll figure something.
No, go ahead, because I'm not going to drink anything. I'm just gonna...
For the record, these are Wiener Schnitzel corn dogs. For the record.
Oh, they're kind of smaller.
Slightly smaller.
Okay, timer.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
Go.
Yeah, you are still gonna do this. Is it? There you go. There you go. Pace yourself. Man versus food.
Dude, that's so hard.
That's what she said.
Should I pause it?
If you want.
I'm at 37 seconds. Everybody's struggling.
First corn dog.
No way.
Oh. About to hit the minute mark.
Mm-hmm.
Bam, minute.
No.
I'm gonna have a bad stomachache after this.
I have antacids.
Wait, what's that?
Minute, 20 seconds.
Ooh,
Oh, come on. You can do it.
You're like halfway, like, after that one. Yeah, so
Was it
you're
supposed to be
halfway.
4 minutes?
4 minutes.
Oh, 4 minutes. Okay.
What would you think it was?
We can make it. You're gonna even that 2 minute one.
Yeah, but he's not. Well, we'll see.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, people slow down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You're kind of halfway there now. I actually got a good pace. Alright, 2 minutes. You're halfway there. Come on. Motivation. You know, he needs like, you know, man versus food, that hot
You're
girl
recording
thing.
the
I believe
hair
in
on
you.
my
He gets a
arm?
kiss on the cheek.
No, I take a picture of it.
Thanks.
Dude.
You need guacamole.
Dude, I'm disabled. I can't shave.
Where are you supposed to shave?
My arm?
Yeah.
Right there.
Stupid. You know, this is hard.
Come on. Come on.
You suck.
Dude, oh man. It all just sinking right now.
You need guacamole.
Come on, Brandon. You have 1 more minute.
No way.
Wow, 4 minutes just passed like that, huh?
Do it.
Is this like a world record thing?
Mm-hmm.
Only few can do it.
Oh my god.
Oh, come on. I believe in you.
Ah.
Are you still doing the same one? Alright, 2 more to go in under 30 seconds. I don't think he's gonna make it now. Is he gonna make it? Oh, 10, 9, 8. With 2 hot dogs left. Okay, so it's like what, a minute per dog then basically? 4 minutes.
You suck.
Oh.
We'll see how How long he takes anyway.
No!
He's probably not even tried it.
I'm done.